This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. This floor plan feels so much larger than its measurements. Partly because the original patio has been enclosed to add another 210 square feet of living area. Split floor plan boasts a huge living room, generous family room, formal dining area plus a breakfast nook and roomy kitchen with a generous breakfast bar. Owner retreat is spacious and features a large walk-in closet, and separate shower and tub in the ensuite bathroom. The 1-acre lot includes an above-ground pool and a few sheds. The one furthest back does not convey. Neither does the RV. For more info or to see this property call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.